Introducing the Open Palm Podcast, hosted by Jerome Shaw. Available today on your favorite podcasting platforms, including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Anchor.fm, and many more. The Open Palm Podcast, where the host engages his listeners with inspirational messages, motivating themes, and thought-provoking ideas. Topics include: make more mistakes, how much is your value, don't get right, get going, learning to let go, excellence is a habit, and more. Binge listen today. Subscribe today. It's getting excellent ratings. That's the Open Palm Podcast, hosted by Jerome Shaw. You can also find it on YouTube. Make sure you share it with your social networks and connect on Twitter and Instagram at Jerome Shaw. That's the Open Palm Podcast with Jerome Shaw. Available today on your favorite podcasting platforms. Go listen, download, and subscribe now.
My friend, I saw a message recently that said, "Be the love that you seek." Be the love that you seek. What does this mean to you, my friend? To me, when I hear this, it reminds me of Dr. Wayne Dyer. His speech about how when you squeeze an orange, what comes out is what's inside. You take an orange and you squeeze it, you get orange juice. No matter how you squeeze it, no matter what method you use, you will always and only get what's inside. There will never be apple juice or grape juice, because that is not what's inside. So when life squeezes you, when struggles squeeze you, when hard times squeeze you, what comes out is what's inside. Cultivate love, acceptance, non-judgment, peace, joy. All these wonderful things you can cultivate within yourself. Be the love that you seek, for we cannot pour out from an empty cup. We must have something to give, and I believe we always have something to give, no matter what. No matter how downtrodden, no matter how low we feel, there's always something that we can give inside. You were put here on purpose, for a purpose. And like a mentor once told me, it's time for you to find that purpose so you can have a purpose-driven life. Be the love that you seek. How do we treat others? We treat others exactly how we treat ourselves. Be the love that you seek. When you treat yourself with love, when you have self-love, which is the best love, it's so easy to love someone else. It's so easy to show love and to be love when you love you. Love you today, my friend, and the world will receive that love in kind. For when you change yourself, you do change the world. We are all a part of this wonderful collective coming together in unity consciousness, collaboration. This is a wonderful time. Let us embrace it and embrace each other. Thank you for listening, my friend. This has been Jerome Shaw on TOP, the Open Palm Podcast here in San Antonio, Texas. The open palm means harmony with the world, understanding our place in the world, using our skills accordingly, greeting the world with an open palm instead of a closed fist. I pray you received a kind message from this episode today, letting you know that it's okay. It's okay to be the thing that you are seeking. If it is love that you are seeking, be love. If it is peace you are seeking, be peace. If it is joy that you are seeking, be joyful. Be the thing, my friend, and in being, you will receive that which you seek. Share this episode with a like-minded individual who is learning and growing, becoming their greatest version, just like you. You can change the world. You can touch the life of another at the touch of a button, my friend. Pay it forward so more can hear the message. And if you are just now receiving this podcast for the very first time, then consider subscribing for more inspirational messages like this. And if you would like to support the podcast and become one of the many donators who are contributing, then definitely consider opening your browser to anchor.fm/jshaw. That is anchor.fm/jshaw. Supporting it there is much appreciated, my friend. Much love to you. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Be blessed and take care. Hey there, my friend. So you've heard about Anchor, but do you know why it's the easiest way to make a podcast? Well, first off, it's free. It allows you to use creation tools that let you record your podcast right from your phone or computer. It also distributes your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many more platforms. You can even make money from your podcast with minimum listenership. It's everything you need in one place. Download the free Anchor app today or go to anchor.fm to get started. Can't wait to hear yours. Let's see what you have to offer the world.